What's up everyone, I'm Xavier with OnePlus, and today we're unboxing our first ever keyboard, the Keyboard 81 Pro. There are two versions of the Keyboard 81 Pro. The Winter Bonfire version costs $219, that's the one we have here, and the Summer Breeze version costs $239. We're going to be unboxing that one today. Both are available on our website, oneplus.com, so make sure to check the description for all of our latest promotions. The two main differences are the color and the keycaps. So the light and dark gray pattern you see here on the Winter Bonfire are inverted on the Summer Breeze. The Summer Breeze uses marble mallow caps and the Winter Bonfire uses PBT caps. So let's go ahead and unbox the Summer Breeze version. So underneath the box, we have all the signatures and names of the different people who helped collaborate on this device. Thank you for all your feedback and your time. We really appreciate it, and we're excited to see what you guys have to say about the keyboard. Underneath that, we have the instruction manual, but you're watching our unboxing video, so just stay tuned. And then we have the keyboard. So I can go ahead and show off the color difference I was mentioning earlier. So we have the Winter Bonfire with the dark gray and then the light colored accents. And then the Summer Breeze we just unboxed is the opposite. So now let's talk about some of the design features of the OnePlus keyboard. So it's made of aluminum, definitely gives it some weight and a premium feel to it. And we've kept the minimalistic OnePlus style. You can see the classic alert slider on the back, which goes from wired to off to Bluetooth mode. And we have the custom keys with the OnePlus logo replacing the escape key and the red enter button. This rotary knob at the top is default set to control your volume, but you can change that. And of course, we have the adjustable stand so you can get whatever custom typing angle that you want. Now let's go ahead and do a quick sound test. So here we have the Summer Breeze with the marble mallow keys. These are gonna be a little bit quieter and not have that super loud mechanical clacking sound that some people don't like. So let's listen in. Okay, so then on this side, we have the Winter Bonfire with the PBT keys. These are gonna give you that loud mechanical clacking sound. So let's listen to that. Now that you've heard both, we wanna hear in the comments which one you like better. I think I'll prefer the Summer Breeze marble mallow keys. Our custom marble mallow keys adopt material typically used in chargers and wristbands. It gives the keys a nice tactile feeling, and paired with the double gasket design, it has a good springy effect. And now again, these are only available on the Summer Breeze version. The Winter Bonfire over here uses the PBT keys. So our marble mallow keys give you a dampened sound, so you still get that satisfying mechanical feel, but it's not an annoying clack. So there is definitely still some sound there for people who like the clack, but it's a little more subdued. In the original packaging, there are two other cases. In the small case, we have some replacement keys and a tool to replace those keys. So we are default set to Mac here, but we do have Windows keys, and it also pairs with Android and Linux operating systems. So whatever you need, this keyboard can pair to it. It also has a wire, so you can plug into anything you need. I'll go ahead and show you how to replace those keycaps now. So just grab the tool that comes with the keyboard, and we'll go ahead and do the J key. So once it's locked in, just pull up, and then you can just snap your new key to replace it. In the bigger case, we have the charger and wired input. It will charge the 4,000 milliamp hour battery in just 5 hours, giving you 100 hours of use. It does come with a USB-A to C adapter, so you can use either port. And again, to switch between wired and Bluetooth or off, just use the alert slider on the back of the keyboard. The Keyboard 81 Pro is compatible with open source firmware to allow you to customize your RGB lights, remap keys, and so much more. You can really dial in your preferences. So let us know in the comments if you want us to make a short showing you how to do that. That's all we have for you today. So let us know what you think about the brand new Keyboard 81 Pro in the comments. Again, thank you to all the community members that contributed to this project. We really appreciate your feedback and help. So the product link is in the description. Let us know what you think. Make sure to like and subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Check out our recent videos above.